yeah, no, it's the last thing I want to do at the moment. It's it's different for everyone. Some people might jump on it, but
in terms of like when you're actually doing the events as well, like when events were, say, at its peak for you, did yoga help you with the stress element of actually organising events?
I'm not going to be an annoying, cheesy person and be like, yeah, I'll be honest. So I had this thing where I'm so good at doing my practicing yoga and meditation and things like that when I'm in a good place. But when I need it most, which is probably when I'm not in such a good place, sometimes it does fall a bit to the wayside. So I'll be completely honest with that. However, what I would say is that because I normally have that regular practice, and I meditate regularly, that's changed some sort of states within me in the way I'm able to handle myself anyway. So I still think those tools that train in the practice still benefits me, even if when times are tough, I might forget to practice a yoga class or something like that. So I do still think it has benefited me. I mean, I remember when this lockdown came in, everyone was going, oh, you must love it. I bet you practice yoga like twice a day. And I'm like, no, it's the last thing I want to do at the moment. It's it's different for everyone. Some people might jump on it, but for me, it kind of dissipated for a while, but now it's back. And I feel like I've built enough tools and self-awareness to still be able to take that into my day-to-day life anyway.